Peter David Weber is an American bowler on the Professional Bowlers Association Tour and a member of the PBA and USBC Halls of Fame. Weber is one of the sport's most active players and is known for his maverick, chirpy and rebellious personality. He is also known for being incredibly versatile. His high backswing and the side rotation he puts on the bowling ball helps him control numerous oil conditions. Weber is featured in the 10-pin bowling sports documentary A League of Ordinary Gentlemen. He has won 37 titles on the PBA Tour, including 10 major championships and another 11 titles on the PBA50 Tour. He is one of only 2 bowlers in history to have amassed 100 total PBA titles. Weber has won bowling's U.S. Open a record 5 times and has also won the PBA Senior U.S. Open twice. He is a 2-time PBA 50 Player of the Year. Weber is a member of the Storm Pro staff. Weber grew up in Florissant, Missouri, and, as the son of bowling superstar Dick Weber, was introduced to the sport at the age of 2. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.